Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to fix the Nordea app not updating. First, check your internet connection and make sure it is stable, as updates require a long, strong connection. Then, restart your device and make sure restart your phone and open the app store again, then try updating it again. Head over to your settings, go to general, then go to iPhone storage and make sure your device has enough storage. If your storage is full, the app update may fail to download or install. On Android, you can also clear the Google Play Store cache by going to settings app and then go to app selecting play and then going to app selecting Play Store, tapping on storage and clearing cache, then updating again. If the update still does not work, uninstall and reinstall the app to the latest version from the official app store. In this That's how you fix the Nordea app not updating. Do not forget to subscribe for more simple guides.